Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health foods, weight loss and fat burning methods. Aloe vera, the nutritionally dense plant, also has some active compounds that may help you shed a few pounds. Here's why you should use aloe vera for weight loss. Aloe vera gel has long been known to heal wounds and cuts and possess various health and beauty benefits. Turns out, it also helps lose weight. The plant has started making an appearance in gardens and on the windowsill of houses all across the world. You may have read about its amazing health and beauty benefits. Drinking its juice is said to help in weight loss. The nutritionally dense plant also has some active compounds that may help you shed a few pounds, while also improving the quality of skin and hair. It is usually consumed in the form of aloe vera juice, which is made mixing the gel of the plant with water. We tell you reasons as to why you should include aloe vera in your daily diet to lose weight. 1. Aloe vera helps aid digestion. Aloe vera has laxative properties and when consumed in small quantities may aid in digestion. An unhealthy gut is generally linked to weight gain. A healthy digestive system translates to proper metabolism of food and an optimal expulsion of waste from the body that helps in losing weight. 2. Combats water retention. Water retention is one of the main conditions that can lead to weight gain. Due to it being a laxative, aloe vera juice is ideal for fighting water weight. However, it is important to keep in mind that one should not over-exceed the consumption of aloe vera juice. 3. Boosts metabolism. Aloe vera is said to help in boosting metabolism, which further enables the body to burn fat. Aloe vera's fat-burning abilities are credited to the presence of vitamin B, which converts the fat stored in the body into energy and aids weight loss. 4. It helps detoxify the body. Aloe vera gel contains a complex carbohydrate known as asmannan, which facilitates the absorption of nutrients by the cells, nourishes them and also helps detoxify them. How to consume aloe vera for weight loss? Aloe vera can be consumed in many ways, the condition being that it should be consumed in small quantities to prevent any side effects. To prepare aloe vera juice, all you need to do is to take a glass full of water and add some aloe vera gel to it. Put the water in a pan and heat it while constantly stirring, until the gel blends in with the water. You can also add some lemon juice to it and drink the elixir first thing in the morning. Make sure you consult a doctor before consuming aloe vera internally to avoid any complications. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.